Greetings, brothers and sisters. I hope you're all having a great day. And yes, we're back for another video. Now, I thought I would do part two, but this is a little bit more of a reboot because I didn't do too well in my previous video. And so I thought to myself that maybe I should give a bit of more information because, again, I didn't do too well in my previous video. And this is mainly because I'm just a bit lazy, but here in this video, I'm going to try going into a bit of a deeper details about the book of Revelation. Here we go. The mystery of Babylon is only founded in the book of Revelation, and it is prophesied to be a great city that has fallen. It also prophesies a harlot sitting on a beast that has 7 heads and 10 crowns, according to the book of Revelation. And what's even more fascinating is that in Revelation chapter 17, verse 5, it talks about her forehead having been written, and it is written, Mystery, Babylon the Great, the mother of the whores and of the abominations of the earthland. I know I've asked this question dozens of times throughout my previous video, but this is extremely important because while the book of Revelation may seem exciting and fascinating, the question that I always have to ask first is that where in God's holy writ does it ever mention a woman riding a beast with crowns on its head? There are so many Christians today that are trying to decode the mystery of Babylon. So many are saying that the mystery of Babylon is America. Others are saying the mystery of Babylon is Islam. And some are saying that it is Israel. There are so many theories surrounding the mystery of Babylon. And most of these Christians don't even realize that the mystery of Babylon speaks of a great city, not a great nation. So these theories are absolutely false. But what if I tell you that the book of Revelation itself is false? Now, the book of Revelation speaks a lot of different strange creatures, whether they are symbolized or literal or even metaphorical, it doesn't matter. What matters is where did it originate from and why has there been no biblical references to them? Well, I can provide you one simple answer. Yes, brothers and sisters, the book of Revelation is a plagiarized book. It is filled with Greek characters, and the one who wrote the book of Revelation is not John. No, the one who wrote the book of Revelation is a man named Cerinthus. If you do not know who Cerinthus is, I have linked down the description below, or you can watch my previous videos. Now, I'm not going to tell you much details about him in this video because this video is about the mystery of Babylon. But however, Cerinthus is basically a heretic from the 2nd century, I believe. He had this millennialism doctrine where he believes that the Messiah will come in a military fashion and reign supreme over all the earth for 1,000 years with his people and basically kill everyone on earth. Quite an astonishing doctrine, but it sounds more like the Antichrist in my opinion. But anyways, I have put a link down in the description so you can see the information for yourself. And for that, yes, the book of Revelation is plagiarized. Basically, Cerinthus plagiarized this book from the Greek myth, I believe. I mean, the 7 heads and 10 crowns is basically Hydra. This image that you're looking at here is basically Hydra, who is said to have multiple heads. The Book of Revelation's dragon is also said to have multiple heads. Now, onto the whore of Babylon. Now, to be honest with you, I think the whore of Babylon is basically Aphrodite in the Greek myth. Well, even if I think that's what Cerinthus was trying to copy. But even if it's not her, it could be anyone, because the book of Revelation, like I've just said multiple times, it is not biblical. And everything that the book of Revelation says is the opposite of what Jesus, or what Paul, what the entire Bible says. Now, in case if anybody is new here, I need you to understand that I am not against the Word of God. I'm only against the book of Revelation because it is proven to be a false book. It is Gnostic and it belongs in the Nag Hammadi scriptures. As a matter of fact, the book of Revelation is actually called the Apocalypse of John. And the name itself is very fascinating to me because there are Gnostic books that are called the Apocalypse of Peter, the Apocalypse of Paul, the Apocalypse of Thomas, the Apocalypse of Adam, and they can also be named as the Revelation of Paul, the Revelation of Adam, and the Revelation of Peter as well. And the book of Revelation belongs there. It belongs to the Nag Hammadi scriptures. If I have not done any good in this video or any of my videos, then I apologize, brothers and sisters. The truth is, I get really nervous when I make a video every day because I have to be careful what I have to say out of my mouth, and I have to do some research just to make sure that I'm on the right track. But if I'm not doing well so far, then I apologize, and maybe I should stop making more videos. But I really wanted to make a video just to prove a point, to try and get the truth out there to as much people as I can. But anyways, brothers and sisters, thank you for watching. May God bless you all and have a good day.